Now that I've gotten a decent version of the song down on acoustic guitar, I can use that performance as a roadmap to make my GarageBand project file easier to navigate and make it more helpful to me and anyone else that ever might work on this project with me. In the track menu, choose Show Arrangement Track, or press Shift-Command-A. Notice the new narrow band across the top. It's labeled Arrangement. The arrangement track's main function is to allow you to distinguish sections of the song and mark them with a label that tells you where you are in the song. You could use words like verse, chorus, and bridge, or you can use your own made-up names like shiny part or dark part, whatever suits you. Click the plus button in the arrangement track to create your first arrangement region. Double-click where it says Untitled to name it. I'm going to name my first section Intro. Hit Return to save, and then play the song to see where the intro ends. I think it's very short, so. Okay, it's just those little guitar licks at the beginning. I'm using the left arrow and right arrow to step bar by bar, so it's at bar 4 that it ends. I've positioned the playhead at bar 4 so that I can click and drag the right edge of the arrangement region to meet, and now I've got my intro marked off as those first 4 bars. Next, click plus again, and this time let's name it verse. And I'm going to find the end of the verse just by clicking the playhead a little further along and see if I can figure out where the pre-chorus starts. There it is. Okay, so that is bar 20, and I'm going to drag the end of the verse arrangement region out to match bar 20. So now the verse is completely encapsulated by that one arrangement marker. Okay, I'll click plus again, and I'm going to name it pre-chorus. Figure out where that ends. There's the chorus starting there. Use the left arrow to go back. Right click and drag the edge of pre-chorus to meet the playhead, and we've got the pre-chorus. Press plus one last time. Double click to name it chorus. And drag the end of that out to the end of the song. So now we've got intro, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. After doing this, it becomes very easy to communicate with others about the song. You can say something like, press play starting at the pre-chorus to someone, and they know exactly what you mean. They click at the beginning of the pre-chorus and hit play, and you can listen to it. So it's a quick way to navigate around. The other thing you can do is if you happen to be zoomed very far into the project, you can actually look up and see where am I at the moment. So I happen to be deep in the verse here, but I can tell that's where I am and that's where I've been working. You can always zoom out to see more, but it's nice to just be able to glance up and be able to reference where you are. As we'll see in a later movie, it becomes very easy to select individual sections of the song within your arrangement, like by clicking in the arrangement track. It allows you to select them, and you can copy and paste and move things around, and we'll flesh this arrangement out in a later movie.